Good day, class. We want to solve this problem, and we have started our class on simple interest some days ago. We want to solve this problem. But before we solve this problem, don't let's forget that we have landed property, virgin land, on a very close by along the express or along GBERIGBE road that is suitable for school, hotels, any business you actually want to do that you have in mind. The landed property is there for you to buy without any hassle. Nobody will disturb you. The person to contact and the number to contact is right on my screen. Let's get started. Don't forget that we have online presence. Dreams Tutorial Online Center is our online presence, or you want to come physically so that your work could gain maximally at our location. 4 Mega OLABOSHINDE CRESCENT is the location to be. Let's get started. Let's solve this problem. We have find the compound interest on 15,700 for 2 years at 8% per annum compounded annually. So we have this problem. We want to solve it. The question is on compound interest. Find the compound interest on 15,700 for 2 years at 8% per annum compound interest. So we have solution. Compound interest on 15,700, that's the principal. For 2 years, that's the time, and 8%, that's the rate. So let's calculate the amount. The formula for the amount for this compound interest is amount equals to principal into bracket 1 plus r over 100 raised to power n, where our n is the number of years, that's 2 years. The p is the amount borrowed or deposited or invested, and our principal is 15,700. So let's substitute in the formula. We have amount and principal is 15,700. 1 plus our rate 8% over 100 raised to power n is 2, that's 2 years. So let's evaluate what we have on the board. 8 over 100, that's 0.08. 8 divided by 100 plus 1 at 0.08 plus 1, we have 1.08 raised to power 2. That means so we have 1.164 times 15,700. 15,700. So we have the amount to be 183.1248 naira. So let's get the interest, because find the compound interest on, don't forget our formula for amount is also amount equals to principal plus interest. So interest will be amount minus principal. So that will give you amount is 183.12.48 minus 15,700. So let's get in the figure. So minus 15,700. So the figure is 2612.48. So 2612.48. That means 2,612 naira 48 kobo. So it's option B. So once you can get this formula in the exam, the problem is half solved. Let's continue to share this problem I have solved. Let's share it to our students. See you in my next video. Bye.